Greetings from East New Market, Maryland. We are right here on the banks of the Choptank River. It's a gorgeous location to work today, but we've got some storm damage that I'm going to show you here in just a minute, and the shingle that we've chosen to go back with and why it's such a good product. All right, we have the Owens Corning True Definition Duration Shingle here, and there's two main purposes I want to point out. This nailing strip right here, our crew's putting 5 to 6 nails in every one of these shingles, giving it a really secure, tight bond, preventing nail pop on down the road. And also it keeps our guys from nailing too low or nailing too high. Also, on the other side of this shingle, the tar strip, which is you'll see on the back of every shingle out on the market, is going to actually seal to this nail strip, giving it a super tight bond, rating it about 130 mile-an-hour winds. And when you have a property just like this on the water, that's the kind of protection you're gonna need. Thank you for tuning in today. And now that you know about the products that we use, you'll know that we're also a company that takes a lot of pride in the quality of work that we do. If you have any storm damage that you would like us to check out, please don't hesitate to give us a call. 443-675-6485. And always remember, measure twice, cut once, and always do it with precision.